Hey guys, it's Kristin. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to try to do something a little bit different today. You see that cute little guy in the background there? That's my son, and we are going to attempt to do a vlog style day in the life video today. We're just running around doing some errands, getting some stuff done around the house while the kids are on Christmas break. And I'm going to attempt to film this with my phone since I also forgot to grab my tripod. So hopefully it won't be too shaky. So come along with us on our day. Okay, so we just got to Kohl's. We just have to pick up some sweatpants I ordered for my son and just did store pickup. That's like, I don't shop at Kohl's very much anymore because they haven't been giving me 30% off coupons, and I am not buying your overpriced stuff with only like 15% off. But what I will say is when you order online, I feel like their shipping's kind of pricey. I think you have to order $75 worth of merchandise to get free shipping, and that's a lot. So if you ship to the store, then it's free. So we're gonna pick up some sweatpants I ordered from him, and I have a shirt that I got from Christmas that I wanna see if I can get in a bigger size up because everything always shrinks. So we'll check in with you when we're done. Okay, that was actually quite painless. They let me exchange it without a receipt. I got a bigger size, I got his sweatpants, and now we are off to Ulta so I can get my free birthday gift. If you guys ever shop at Ulta, make sure you sign up for their rewards because they send you a free birthday gift on your birthday every year. Okay, just got out of Ulta and I'll show you what I got quick. I got this IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye. I have these huge dark circles under my eyes and this one's worse. And I can never find a good concealer that covers them. I have tried everything. So if you have really good recommendations, leave them in the comments down below. I also just grabbed this. It's Makeup Revolution. It's a baked bronzer. I normally don't like baked bronzers, and they had these travel Morphe bronzers in there, but they only had one shade and it was way too dark for me. So I grabbed this and, okay, can you show them? What is it? This was my free birthday gift, so it's probably gonna... It's a Lancome travel mini mascara. So I love to get the minis because it's great for when you do travel or to throw in your purse or keep in your car, but I'm really picky with mascara too, so we'll see if I like it. Oh, thank you. And now, okay, and now we are stopping into Petco quick to grab some dog treats, and then we'll check in a little bit. We just got home. He's gonna give the pups a treat. Go ahead. That was, what are you doing? Throw it to Jem. Good. Throw Piper one, so I don't think she caught that one. I want to see her catch it. Go ahead. Good job. Good job. Oh my goodness. And my daughter and my son did grocery shopping while we were gone, so they just got all the grocery. My husband and my daughter went grocery shopping to Aldi while we were gone, so I'm actually going to go place a pickup order on Walmart grocery, and then I'll run and pick that up later, and then we'll have all our groceries for the week. I am going to make my favorite keto coffee. This is like, gives me life every afternoon, and I will link that video up above. It's so good. So I was trying to make my coffee, and I guess I better keep it real with you guys. Hey, get out of there. I spilled the entire coffee on myself. I'm so upset. Show you guys my counter. Oh my gosh, look at this. All in my Lazy Susan, all over the floor. The dogs are trying to drink it. They're gonna be so hyper. Oh my gosh, what a mess. Oh. Okay, so I obviously changed my clothes since I poured coffee all over myself. I got it all cleaned up, got the dishes done, and now the rest of the day I'm pretty much just gonna be hanging out at home, doing stuff around the house. I'm actually gonna go hook my daughter's Amazon Fire TV up for her and then fold some laundry and probably get some work done on my blog for a little. Thank you. And also, I did put that concealer on. I think it's a little bit dark. They only had the medium color at the checkout at Ulta, like where they have all the little sample sizes, like the travel sizes. So I could probably use a little bit lighter, maybe the light color. But it was only $10, so I didn't really have time to go searching through the store to see if they had the light in that color somewhere else in the store. So I don't know, we'll see. It was really, really thick, so if you're looking for something super full coverage, maybe you can give it a shot. I'll let you know how it holds up. I did set it quick with some setting powder, and I don't know, we'll see. This, because I think I told you about it before, this is our spare bedroom. It's a mess and the lighting's weird, but this is where our laundry room was that we moved it out of here and back downstairs. My husband wants to hide from you. He's back there. This is all ripped apart because he had to pull everything apart to set, like to do the plumbing and the electric so that he can move the washer and dryer up here years ago. Now he just pulled it all apart and he has to put this drywall back up here and cover up this giant hole, and then we're going to add a bunch of extra shelves in here and use it for storage. I was thinking about maybe making this an office or filming room for myself. I keep going back and forth for a couple months now and I'm just not sure yet. So now I am just sitting down at my desk and I'm going to try and get some work done on my blog and my YouTube. And I shared this on Instagram yesterday, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, I'm going to put my handle down here. But you can hear my husband yelling in the background. But I was finally able to order a new MacBook and mouse yesterday. I'm so excited. I got a really generous birthday gift the other day and it was so cool. So I was finally able to order the MacBook that I have been tossing back and forth and saving up for, and I kept holding back because I felt like I was being a bit of a spoiled brat. My laptop is kind of really on the fritz and I'm just not able to be very productive with it. It takes a really long time to do anything and I'm constantly sitting here waiting for things to load, and it's just, I need to be more efficient with my time and with my business. So I'm so excited. I'm sitting here like a little kid waiting for it to be delivered. I had to have them order it because it was out of stock, I guess, like from Christmas. So sorry for the lighting back there. So it's supposed to be delivered, the laptop and the mouse tomorrow, and I just can't wait. So I have a lot of stuff that I want to transfer off my current laptop into my external hard drive. That way, when I get my new laptop, I can finish cleaning this old one up quick and let my husband have it because he doesn't really use a computer. I don't let him on mine because I always have so many tabs open and I'm always in the middle of like 100 different tasks that if anybody gets on my computer, inevitably it crashes or they end up accidentally closing something and I get really frustrated. So I make him use my kids' Chromebooks, and now he's gonna have his own computer. And all he really does is some online training for his job a little bit throughout the year, and if he just kind of wants to play around on the internet. So this laptop, there's nothing wrong with it. It's actually in great condition except that it has slowed down a lot. And I think, you know, partially it's 4 years old and it's just not a super great quality laptop to begin with. It's kind of like a more bottom of the line Dell, but otherwise it's in good condition. So I'm excited to kind of pass that off to him. And I haven't used a MacBook in years. My old one broke years ago, actually 5 years ago, and then I got a Chromebook I used for a year, and then I finally upgraded to this Dell laptop. So it's been a long time since I used a Mac, and I don't know, I feel like there's going to be a learning curve getting back into it, so we'll see. I'm excited to hopefully be able to edit my YouTube videos on my computer because right now I film and edit everything on my phone, and you know, I've been able to make it work so far, but it's just not efficient and it takes a really long time. So hopefully I'm able to learn iMovie on the laptop pretty quickly and able to transfer my editing to my laptop and hopefully save myself a lot of time. I feel like a little kid waiting for the FedEx man to come tomorrow. It's going on about 4 o'clock here today. I'm probably just gonna throw frozen pizza in for dinner tonight. I'm still working on my computer trying to pull all the files onto my external hard drive and then wipe the computer clean so that it has a fresh start for my husband when I pass it on to him. I took a break, did some laundry, ate some lunch. You can tell this concealer is coming off already. This harsh lighting, since it's really dark and rainy out today, the lighting probably is not helping, but yeah, I don't think it's staying on that well considering I was just sitting around the house, not really doing anything active, so I don't know. I don't know if I can recommend that concealer for you or not. I got this really cool gel nail set, like at-home gel nail kit for Christmas, well, for my birthday. And I think if I have enough time tonight, I'm actually going to try and give myself a gel manicure. Now, it's just from Amazon, so if you've ever gotten certain things from Amazon, you can read the directions and tell that they don't really make much sense, and that's kind of how this is. So hopefully I'll be able to figure it out, and I will try to film a little bit of it, but also show you guys for sure how it turned out. Otherwise, we're pretty much just hanging around the house today. I'm gonna see if I can get a little bit more work done, maybe a little bit of cleaning done. Checking in with you guys, my husband actually ended up going to Sam's and getting the Sam's pizza deal. If you guys have a Sam's around, you should definitely check out their pizza deal and their cafe. What is it? It's like $15 for a large pizza, 2 liters of soda. Okay, shh. 2 liters of soda, a thing of cheesy breadsticks, and 6 big chocolate chip cookies. He wants to show you. It's a really good deal, and now she wants to show you the cookies. You can't see them.
Pull one out.
Anyway, it's a really good deal. So I think it was like $15 or $16 maybe with tax. So
$14.84 was the total.
$14.84 was the total. So I can't eat the pizza because I am trying to get back on keto. I'm gonna find something else to eat. We're gonna sit down and eat, and then we are going to set up the family room for family movie night. So I just wanted to show you quickly how my nails turned out from the gel manicure. I have to do a voiceover because it's loud from the movie in my family room right now. You can see it turned out pretty good. Definitely not perfect, but honestly, the cost of this was only the cost of about 1 gel manicure in the salon, so I think it was definitely worth it. And then here's everything else that came in the kit, a bunch of polishes and quite a few other supplies, including the light. I'll leave a link down below. You guys can check it out. I definitely think it's worth the money and going to save me lots of time too. So my MacBook just came. I haven't even opened the box. I wanted to film it so you guys could see. I'm so excited. And here it is. So I actually ordered this on Best Buy because I went there to do some research. I will leave the link down below to order this on Amazon if you are in the market for one, because the price was actually the exact same on Amazon as it was at Best Buy, and you probably would get it faster if it's sold out in Best Buy, because almost everything was sold out at our Best Buy from the holidays. So I'm just gonna pull the plastic off. This is so exciting! I have my little assistant, my son, sitting next to me. He doesn't want to be on camera, but he is my assistant for this unboxing. It doesn't want to come out. So I initially had gotten the rose gold color. Well, I think technically it's gold, but it looks more rose gold, and then they were out of stock of that one, and then I decided on the silver, and then they were out of stock of that one. So this is the new 13-inch MacBook Air. It's very, very thin. You can see on the side, and it's a little bit tapered. The Pro is a little bit thicker down on this side. It's very, very light. I think it only weighs 2 pounds, maybe. Put that over there for a minute. And then also in the box is obviously your charger cord and your power to plug the cord into. This is probably just a little bit of directions. Yep. You know Apple, they don't give very big directions. Any other computer or laptop you get probably has this giant book, and Apple has like a 30-page pamphlet and Apple stickers, which if I know my kids, they'll probably try to steal from me. Oh, he already has one, he said. That's it, guys. That's the only thing in this box. So let's open. And it just has this on. Oh, and it turns on by itself apparently when you open it. I thought I'd have to turn it on and charge it. My gosh, it's so tiny. So let me see if this says the specs on here anywhere so I can tell you guys what I got. This has a pretty large size trackpad. I also ordered a Magic Mouse as well, and I ordered that straight from Amazon, so I'll leave that link down below too, and I will show you when that comes. Just
use English as the main language, press the return key.
Apparently she walks you through the setup automatically. So I will show you the mouse when that comes as well. I'm not seeing the specs on here. So I do know it was 13-inch MacBook Air. This is the new one that just came out a couple months ago. 8 gigabytes of memory, and I believe I got the 256 gigabytes of storage. You don't remember, obviously, what I got. So I'm pretty sure that's what it was. Excuse me, I don't have any makeup on and I look like a mess, but I've been dying for this to get here. So I wanted to show you guys and not take the time to try and make myself look like I did not just roll out of bed. So that's about it. I'm gonna sign off here so I can set this up, and I'll come back and show you the mouse then when that arrives. So my mouse came, and I'm gonna open this too and show you guys quick. These boxes are hard. This is the Magic Mouse, and I'm excited because it's much more flat. So sometimes my wrists bother me because I'm on the computer nonstop. And when I hold my other mouse, my hand is like this, but this is flat. So hopefully it won't bother my wrist. That's it. Very cute. And I don't think you need a mouse pad for it because they're digital. So I'll probably just get rid of the mouse pad that I have upstairs too. Ready? Mm-hmm. And then in here is the instructions, and here is your charger cord. So it doesn't need regular batteries, and you can charge it just like your phone. I'm gonna leave the link for the mouse down below too. I just ordered this from Amazon quick because they were sold out at Best Buy. I know this wasn't exactly the most thrilling vlog you've ever watched, but it's a day in the life, and that is my life. Lots of work on my computer, errands, running around, crazy kids, and usually trying to fit in some family time throughout the day. 2019, I will be seeking more balance. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments, and I will try to film more in the future. Bye!
Bye.